In this video, I will show you how to change your Facebook account to a professional account. First of all, open the Facebook application on your device. Once you are on the home screen, you will see a profile icon at top left side. Tap on it. You will be directed to your profile page. Here you will see a three dots icon next to the edit profile option. Tap on it to open your profile settings. You will now be taken to the profile settings screen where you will see an option called Turn on Professional Mode. Tap on it. On the next screen, tap again on Turn on to begin the setup. It will show you the professional mode features and description. Tap Next to continue through each screen. Then you will be prompted to choose your default audience. You can choose either of these options, but it's recommended to select Public if you are planning to grow your profile. Once selected, tap on Next. After that, tap on Confirm to finalize your audience setting. Continue tapping Next for the next few times, and then the professional mode will be enabled and an option of Go to Professional dashboard will appear. Tap on it to access your new tools and insights. You will now notice that your Facebook account has changed to a professional account, and this is how you can change your Facebook account to a professional account.